So, good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the topic of International Environment Law and Barry Commoners 7 Environmental Principles. So, this topic is important because explain how countries work together to protect our environment and how certain natural law guide our responsibility to our nature. So, introduction. International environment law is a set of rules, agreement, and principles made between different countries to protect the environment. So, it focuses solving global problems like climate change, of loss of biodiversity and pollution. The main goal is to make sure nature and natural resources are preserved while meeting the needs of people in a fair and sustainable way. I will explain who is Barry Commoner. Barry Commoner was an American scientist, teacher, and environmental activities. He believed that nature follows certain rules that cannot be broken without causing damage. If humans ignore this natural law, the environment will suffer. So will will be a cause of damage. So he summarized his idea into 7 environmental principles, which serve as a guide for protecting the earth. Let's go to the 7 environmental principles. So the first one, everything is connected to everything else. So let's say nature works like a wave where everything is linked. It's one part is affected and the rest will be the impact. So that's why we must think about the effects of our actions. So so that's our everything is connected to everything else. So the number 2, all forms of life are important. So meaning every living thing, even a small one like insect or bacteria, has a role in keeping the environment balanced. So losing one species is like removing a piece of a puzzle. So it affects the whole picture. The Philippines has many unique plants and animals, but many are now endangered because of habitat loss and overuse of resources. So protecting all life forms help keep the environment healthy for everyone. So the third one, everything must go somewhere. Everything we throw away, when natural or man-made, it end up somewhere in the environment. Natural waste like leaves decompose and returns nutrients to the soil. But plastic and other non-biodegradable items don't break down easily. So that's why recycling and proper waste management are important to avoid polluting our surroundings. Industries and people must take the responsibility for reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. So take a look at the picture. So number 4, our Earth is infinite. Earth resources like water, food, and minerals are limited and can run out of it overuse. Some resources like fossil fuels take millions of years to form and won't easily be replaced. Overpopulation and high consumption make these resources disappear faster. We must use resources wisely to protect nature and think about the needs of the future generation. Number 5, nature knows best. Nature has its own system to keep balance, like food chain, nutrient cycle, and predator-prey relationship. When humans disturb this system, problems like food and pests and pollution often occur. It's better to work with nature instead of against it. Using natural methods like organic farming helps keep the environment healthy. So, second to the last one. Nature is beautiful and we are steward of God's creation. Nature beauty is a gift from God, and it's our duty to take care of it. We are not owners of the earth, but caretaker who must protect it all for the living things, all living things. Different religion teach respect and care for creation, loving and protecting nature and honors the creator, and keeps the world liable for future generations. So number 7, the last one. Everything changes. Change is natural in the environment, like season, animal life cycle, and weather patterns like climate change. But human activities like climate change and deforestation can use harmful and faster changes. So we can manage change the through careful planning, law, and sustainable practice. So sustainable development means growing while keeping the environment and people's need in balance. So thank you for your listening.